Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for alkaline phosphatase. So this is the top and the front view of the box. Let me show you the sides. You can see the details here. The catalog number is 121018 ALP, which is alkaline phosphatase. This is the 2 into 44 ml / 2 into 11 ml pack. The reagent 1 is 2 into 44 ml and reagent 2 is 2 into 11 ml. You can find the expiry and the manufacturing date here. As you can see, this is C certified IVD product. You can find the temperature here, and this is the manufacturing address. So let me show you the other side. So guys, this is the Erba Excel system pack for alkaline phosphatase. Thank you.